Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and today I'm with my partner, Sharon. Today we are in Mistra. We're going to do a short trek till Selmun, and we'll do a nice picnic there. So, are you ready, Sharon?
Of course.
Mara, let's start.
Looking forward.
Well, first we're going to start the first part uphill. You can see Sharon in front of me. And today we have our backpacks a little bit full because we are carrying food and the whole barbecue with us. These are the views that you expect from this area. There is St. Paul's Island in front of me. There. Look at these cliffs. Amazing, yeah? Today is a little bit windy, so sorry for the noise. It's beautiful, eh? Here we are walking with the cliff's edge. Look how beautiful here it is, eh? Amazing. Here you can see St. Paul's Island as well. Look, even the color of the sea is nice right here. Hey, look. Huh? Beautiful, eh? Well, here is the kind of terrain you will find here. It's a little bit of trekking, but suitable for everybody. So also you can see Sharon in front of me again. This is the island in front of us there, which we'll look later. It's called St. Paul's Island. This is called so because when St. Paul came to Malta, shipwrecked in this area. And so it took the name from St. Paul. And the legend with St. Paul says that when he got into our island, a snake bit him and he removed the poison from all the snakes in Malta.
Very windy today.
Yes, true.
Enjoy.
And it's not so cold.
No.
It's manageable. We are maybe 1/4 of the trek. It's not a long trek and an easy trek to do. They must have had a beautiful view from here. Look. And somebody must have loved Lindsay so much that he made this for her. Look how nice it is. This pillbox. And look at the view from here. They had all the view of the bay here. Here's the pillbox from the front. It had like an iron shutter to it. Very nice, yeah? The pillbox from another angle. Look what a view it has. Oh, yeah. These are the shutters that I told you about. They used to close. So now let's continue our trek. From here you can clearly see St. Paul's Island. If you look on top of there, there's a small statue, which is the statue of St. Paul. Here is another pillbox that has been destroyed. I don't know if it's the same kind, but I don't know if it's with the weather or during World War. Now we are still moving towards Selmun. This is again St. Paul's Island, and from here you get a glimpse of the Selmun area. Up there, there's Fort Campbell, but here is very nice. Eh? How are you finding this trek today? Easy, hard, enjoyable?
Yeah, it's easy.
But are you enjoying yourself?
I lost it.
Huh? What about the views?
Yes, as well, the view is incredible.
It's nice, eh? Look. It's very nice here. And it's a nice place to come with your families. And especially now with COVID restrictions and everything, here is a place that is safe to come. Now we are going down to the Selmun Bay or sea. Sharon has a little bit problem going downhill because she's afraid to fall. What do you think, Sharon?
No, it's okay now.
It's okay. Well, I will have to keep the camera rolling all the time. So like this, you are more courageous going down. Although I don't wish to fall down as well. But here is okay as well. But nowhere here is dangerous. It's easily done by a family. So try this one out. Here we are at Selmun, and we're going to walk to this side. We are very close to the sea here. So it's if it's very rough, it's not advisable to go here. Look here. Anyone knows what these were? It's like man-made. This is what to expect when you come here to Selmun. You have to take care because here is very popular with four-wheel drive vehicles. So don't put everything in the middle, and especially where there are slopes, you will know the path like we are now, because they could be going up a hill and maybe injure you. Since here is very windy, we are going back up to the other side of this place. Maybe it's more sheltered by the wind. If you hear me puffing, because we climbed up all the hill on these clay hills, small hills. The scene is still beautiful here. In front of me there's Malta, there, and here. And we're going to go down here and find a sheltered place. Before I was filming up there. Now we are going down, back again on these lovely slopes. Look how nice it is. Where is it? Well, finally we have settled down with this view. What we're going to do our picnic. Well, since today we are trekking, I needed a very small and lightweight barbecue. And today I'm using this one. Look how small it is. It's called the UCO Flip Pack Portable Grill Fire Pit. Oh, how small it is. So what you do? You like this. Put this one here. You have this grill. You can put it on top, and it even comes with this tool here to remove the grill. Another plus, if you want to use this one, you can use it as well as tongs, but it's not advisable to try to burgers. You turn them up with this. Yes, I will put the charcoal in. We got a small bag. We're going to try everything, and we are going to start heating up now. So it will cool down, and we'll pack the charcoal back when it's cold, and we take it home and throw it away, so we don't ruin this area. So let's continue this picnic. I've lighted the barbecue now. Wait until they are cold and we start cooking. Look at the view from here. We have Sharon here. Sharon, she's eating something now. We have some good wine. Perfect weather. Perfect scenery. What we can ask for more, eh? You can see today we are not in the mud, we are not doing long distances, we are very relaxed. Eh? We are cooking. I try not to drop this. So, which one you think is mine and which one you think is Sharon's? I think it's very easy, yeah? The big one. Look how nice, eh? On this barbecue. Now we have some sweet potato prepared by her, and we have some couscous homemade as well. We have a nice meal, eh? After I ate the giant burger, and believe me, it was giant, and all the vegetables she prepared me, which were very, very good. Now we are a little bit relaxing. What do you think, Sharon? You enjoying here? How is your first trek with barbecue? You like it?
Yes, it went very well for the first time.
Yes, perfect. I think I'm going to switch to this type of trekking. So, huh?
Eating.
Uh,
The most,
I-
the most
I-
important thing is that you include eating.
I think that I always been very good in eating, so I think I will excel more in eating than in caving. So let's relax a little bit.
Mm.
And here is the view we are having from here. After we have eaten and relaxed, now she's eating again. Please note, she is eating crepes. And me, I'm going to explore a little bit this area. So come with me. Leave her to relax a little bit more. Now we'll go to that big rock there. If I remember correctly, we can go inside the rock because it's like a small house. Very old, yeah, as you can imagine. Let's go and check that out. But look at the views here. Amazing, yeah? Everywhere you look. But I did a small mistake because the rock that we want to go is further up. So let's trek up and go up to that area and find this small house in the rock. If I'm not mistaken, it's called Silla Maltese, and they give it to horses to eat. And if we look up there is that rock with a door in it. We can go inside. Let's go to check it out. Well, going up this trail, we have found a small house dug inside the rock. You see? Now we are going in. I don't know why people keep doing such graffiti in these places. Like this, you can know the size of this area. As I condemn all this graffiti here. There's a small door here and a small hole up here. And this is the view one can get from here. I cannot complain about the view, for sure. Like this you'll get a view of this small house that was here. Magnificent, yeah? Something I never seen before. A small, very small house dug in a small rock. Amazing. This is amazing, the views here. I know I'm telling you many times, but you must come here. It's beautiful here. Let's continue our journey here. Let's continue exploring this area. There's a lot to see here. Very beautiful rock formations. And it's very accessible to come here. So even with families, now with COVID, you cannot go anywhere because of the restrictions. At least you can come here with your family and enjoy some, safe time. And even mentally, it's very relaxing here, so it's worth it to come. Let's see where this trek leads us to. Under these canes. Now I'm walking under these canes and see where it leads us to. Beautiful here, Some water. Our picnic or barbecue is ready. Me and Sharon, now we are going to head back to our cars. A very important thing we want to send the messages. We did a barbecue with charcoal and everything. Look, everything clean as we found it. So if somebody else come behind us, he will find or she will find everything clean as we found it ourselves. The charcoal we did the barbecue at first, we leave it to cool down, we pack it in foil when it was cold, and we're going to put it in our bin at home. And we leave everything clean. So let's head to our car. And if we go this side, which is, you will see that somebody even got some stairs. They're up. Amazing, yeah? See. You can see here, somebody cut rocks in this remote area. It's the same guy that did that house inside the rock. It's another view, St. Paul's Island and Bujibba behind it. Normally here only 4x4s go though. I wouldn't dare going down with a normal car. Can see Sharon in front of me. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Today it was me, Pierre Farrugia, and Sharon, my partner. We came to Selmun. It's a beautiful place. We did a barbecue and everything. Now we're nearly near our cars. Until next time, bye bye. And please remember to subscribe. Until next time.